When you want to add something to the IPFS nodes, you can just use the IPFS add. But if you want to stay it for a long time on the IPFS network, you have to pin it somewhere. And pinning is like sort of seeds, a place where it can always be retrieved. So you can have your own node running and pin it over there, or you can use a paid service. We'll show a few later on. Or there are a couple of services which are currently still free to pin, so you can use that for your testing. But as I noticed, for example, Infura is doing that. They are making it more and more difficult to pin data there. So for example, they have a rate limiter now, so you cannot pin too frequently. Yeah, let's see how this works. First with the RPC command, that's the very basics. So you can just address the Infura URL and use add with pin and then add a file over here. So you see it's created a hash with the size, so it is edited. Yeah, of course you can also do that from JavaScript. So I have an example over here. I'm using the HTTP client library, so we're going to access Infura. So here we start the client with the URL to Infura, and we are using the command add. And actually Infura, when you just add, it automatically pins, so we don't explicitly have to say pin over here, but we could do that if you want. So here showing that, reloading it. You see there's a slight delay here. The bigger the file, the longer the delay is. So we see the CID here again.